Welcome to my review of the DJI Power 1000 portable power station. If you're looking for a reliable power source for camping, home backup, or outdoor projects, this could be the solution you need. Let's dive into the features. First, the DJI Power 1000 packs a 124-watt Life PO4 battery with a 2200-watt continuous output, peaking at 2600 watts. It can power 99% of household appliances, from small electronics to power tools. I tested it with a mini fridge, a TV, and a fan simultaneously, and it handled everything without breaking a sweat. One standout feature is its incredible charging speed. Using grid power, it fully recharges in just 70 minutes. That's unheard of for a power station this size. If you have solar panels, you can recharge in about 1.35 hours with up to 800-watt input. This means less downtime and more time enjoying your adventure. Safety is paramount with DJI's LFP battery technology. It's rated for 4,000 cycles and about 10 years of service life. The built-in battery management system protects against overcurrent, overvoltage, and overdischarge. Plus, it passed 26 product test certifications from SGS, so you can trust its quality. Another impressive aspect is how quiet it is. At just 23 dB during recharging, it's quieter than your refrigerator. You can use it in a tent or an RV without disturbing your sleep. I barely noticed it running. DJI provides a 5-year warranty by default, which gives peace of mind. The package includes the power station and an AC power cable. However, note that MPPT and car charging modules are not built in. You need a separate adapter for solar or car charging. In summary, the DJI Power 1000 is a top-tier portable power station with fast charging, high output, and ultra-quiet operation. It's perfect for camping, emergencies, or DIY projects. If you can afford the premium, it's a solid investment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews. Check the link in the description for current pricing.